everyone, it's CL. So I am once again wearing my festive attire because we have a Hallmark ornament haul today. And with that haul, I have a couple mystery ornament unboxings, which I'm super excited to see what those are. If you have a Hallmark store in your area, it's definitely worth checking out. It was so much fun looking around at all the ornaments. So not only do they have ornaments, they had a lot of gift type things that weren't ornaments, so definitely worth checking out. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the angle so I can better show off the ornaments that I picked up, and let's go ahead and get into it. And look how pretty this Hallmark bag is. Super cute. I picked out an ornament from the Guardians of the Galaxy series, and this is what it looks like outside of the box. So this does come with batteries and mix sound. We have the Curious George ornament, and this was sentimental to me. Curious George was the first movie my daughter ever watched to completion. So I got this ornament out of nostalgia. And this is what he looks like out of the packaging. We have the heirloom angel surprise. The angel will either be dressed in white or red. And inside we have the angel with the red dress. So this is the last ornament that my daughter picked out. I think it's super pretty, and my daughter here, one of my dad's dogs passed away, and my daughter got this ornament because it looks like him, and she thought we could add this to the tree in memory of him. So lastly, we do have some mystery ornaments. We have Nightmare Before Christmas, and we have Disney Princess. My daughter also has one of these. She opened hers already, but I'll show you what she got after I opened these two. So we'll go ahead and start with the Nightmare Before Christmas. So it looked like we got Jack Skellington. Very cute. You know what, and while we're on this mystery pack, my daughter unboxed hers, and we got Sally. Is this Sally? I think you can also get these Hallmark mystery ornaments from the Walmart website as well. We got ours at Hallmark. Now I'll open the Disney Princess mystery ornament. All right, here we go. Is it Cinderella? Yes, it looks like this is Cinderella. Okay, so it looks like you can get Moana, you can get a crown, Moana, Mulan, Rapunzel, Belle, Cinderella, or Ariel. I think I would have preferred to get Moana, Mulan, or Ariel, or Belle. And out of all of them, I think I really want Moana because she looks adorable. I'm not sure how well that's showing up in the camera, but she looks so cute. These were fairly cheap at Hallmark. I think they're like $4.99 if I'm remembering correctly. So I might go back and get a few more of these mystery ornaments. Those are all my Hallmark ornaments for this year. Next year, we might get a couple more. We'll probably go back to our rule of just buying one ornament each. We haven't been to Hallmark in quite a while, so we decided to splurge a little more this year, get more than one each. And I'm glad we did. We got a lot of cute ones. All right, that's it for this video.